so I have my leftover boiled dumplings. Now I cut them in my desired shape. Alright, so I cut it in half first, and then the halves I cut them again. Alright, but you don't necessarily have to do it, but I love to do mine like this. Alright, so I'm gonna preheat the oil so that I can fry my dumplings. So I am using vegetable oil to fry the dumplings. Now I would recommend the coconut oil because you know it will get smoky and all of that, but use the oil that you so choose. Alright. Now fry dumplings until they are golden brown and nice, crispy on both sides, and then you want to remove them. After which I'm gonna make my tin mackerel. So here I have some chopped garlic, and I love to add a lot of onion to my mackerel. I have some thyme, some scallion, and some scotch bonnet pepper. Now this is the mackerel that I choose to use, so you can use any brand that you like. Now to the pot, I'm gonna allow the oil to heat up, and then I'm gonna add all my seasoning. Alright, now bear in mind that you could also add some scotch bonnet, some sweet peppers if you like, or any other fresh seasoning, but I don't want to add any other fresh seasoning, so you know guys, just do it to your liking. Alright, so saute your seasoning for maybe about 2 to 3 minutes just for all of those flavors to be released, but I'm doing so on like a medium low flame because remember, we don't want our seasonings to burn. Alright, so after which I'm gonna add my mackerel. Now I'm using 2 cans, but depending on the number of people, you want to add less or use more cans. Alright. Put our mackerel into that delicious sauce with all of that nice seasoning, and you know we're gonna allow it to cook down. Even though the mackerel cook already, but you know you want to prepare it for maybe about 5 minutes so that you know it can be nicely flavored with all of those natural seasoning and you know so on. Alright, so just give it a toss because like my pot now it easily sticks, so you know I don't want it to stick. Now guys, you could always just have your mackerel like this, but I like to add a little tomato ketchup, so I'm gonna add just a little, but it's totally optional. Alright, so the mackerel done at this point, I'm just gonna add a little tomato ketchup. So you can add some black pepper, but since I use a scotch bonnet pepper and I used enough and it was spicy enough, so I didn't bother to add any more pepper. Alright, but some black pepper will kick it up a little further with flavor, but I didn't add any. Alright, so I'm gonna coat the mackerel nicely and then it's all done. Alright guys, so me love a lot of gravy with my food when me I eat my mackerel, because me love the gravy or the sauce from the mackerel, so me not gonna make it dry out no more. Alright, so this is the end product. I trust and hope that you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed eating it. And you know, if you are a Jamaican and you love your fry over boiled dumplings and some tin mackerel, comment down below and let me know. Alright, so please remember to like the video as you leave, and if you like it guys, why not share it with others? You know, thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed.